before you to share the context and rationale behind this meaningful gathering. Today, we officially embark on a deeply purposeful initiative, Project Alalahi, Pagubay Legal sa Kabataan. The name itself, Alalahi, evokes the essence of guidance, companionship, and support. It means pagupod, especially during uncertain times. And that is exactly what we aim to do, not just to teach the youth, but to journey with them. The project springs from the shared vision of three strong pillars: the Iloilo Provincial Government, the Department of Education, and Central Philippine University. It is born out of the Best Province program, the Governor's bold vision to make education not just effective, but also relevant and transformative. Project Alalahi stands at the intersection of law, education, and social development. It is a collective response to the call of the times, a call to strengthen the youth's understanding of their rights, their choices, and their roles in our society. Through this initiative, our school-based teen centers become more than safe spaces. They become sites of empowerment, where our young people are not only heard, but uplifted. We are particularly proud that the CPU Legal Aid Clinic is stepping into a new frontier, engaging with high school students on real, relevant issues that affect their lives. Our law student practitioners, under the supervision of our volunteer Centralian lawyers, will go beyond offering legal information. They will listen, they will guide, they will empower. Through this, we live out our deeper mission of the legal profession, not just to advocate, but to accompany, to serve, and to uplift. The strength of Project Alalahi lies in its collaborative spirit. Through the province of Iloilo, which will provide leadership, support, and coordination through the Provincial Population Office, the DepEd ensures our efforts would reach the right schools and the right students, and CPU, through the College of Law, will bring the heart and mind of legal education to the ground, sa eskwelahan, sa komunidad, kag sa mga kabataan mismo. Let today mark the beginning of many meaningful engagements. May Project Alalahi become a lasting legacy, not just of service, but of solidarity. Madamo gid nga salamat, kay padayon kita sa pagbuligan. Thank you, and may this partnership continue to grow and inspire change.